Welcome to Sontay Plumbing LLC, your trusted plumbing experts in Marietta, Georgia, and beyond. At Sontay Plumbing LLC, we proudly serve Marietta, Georgia, and areas within a 100-mile radius, delivering top-quality plumbing solutions you can count on. With over 10 years of experience, we're committed to meeting all your residential and commercial plumbing needs with skill and integrity. Our services include general plumbing services, leak detection and repairs, water heater installation and repair, sewer line services, high-pressure drain jetting, complete bathroom remodeling, gas line installation and repair. Whether it's a minor leak or a major installation, our experienced team is here to provide reliable service and complete customer satisfaction. Get in touch today. Call us today at 678-895-5083 or 404-960-5165. Visit us at sontayplumbingllc.com to learn more about what we offer. Plumbing problems shouldn't disrupt your day. Let Sontay Plumbing LLC handle it and experience the difference professional care makes.